Hi guys, if you're interested in achieving long, thick, healthy hair, having a wash day routine is the way to go if you're being consistent. So guys, it is important to pre-poo your hair before you do a wash day. What I use is hot oil and let that sit in my hair overnight, and then I went on in the morning to use aloe vera. Right now I'm washing my hair and it feels so good. It feels so good running the water through my hair. Please remember to like up the video. If you're new over here, please consider hit that subscription button before you go. Share the video and comment. This is how I prepare my aloe vera. I will allow it to sit in a container of water overnight. In the morning, I will scrape the gel from the leaf, then blend it and apply it to my hair as a pre-poo. Aloe vera strengthens hair. Aloe vera contains an abundance of essential vitamins and minerals such as vitamins A, C, and E, which fortifies hair strands. It's like a healing potion for your hair. These are some other things that it does for the scalp. Deep cleanses the scalp, reduce dandruff, soothe an irritated scalp, nourishes dry scalp and strands, control the hair fall, promotes the hair growth, offer intense hydration, adds shine and luster, balance pH level. This is my cup of rice. I'm going to wash it and place it on the stove, allow it to cook until the grains are soft. Then also to take away the smell, I'm going to add my lemon skin because the smell is not pleasant, guys. So what the rice water or the rice does is to promote elasticity, increase volume, tame frizz, protect your hair from damage, and cure dandruff. So the rice is already cooked and soft. I'm going to add it now to the blender. I'm going to now add in 3 tablespoons of Amla powder, 2 tablespoons of Chebe powder, 2 tablespoons of fenugreek powder, 2 tablespoons of flaxseed powder. Chebe is known to promote hair growth. It nourishes and rejuvenates your hair. So I'm going to use 1 cup of extra virgin olive oil to blend this together. I will now use a stocking cap to strain my mixture. Whatever you have that you can use to strain it, please ensure that you strain it before you actually put it in your hair. After straining the mixture, I'm going to add a few tablespoons of aloe vera gel. If you don't have any aloe vera gel, you can just bypass that. Also, I'm going to add my glycerin. I'm adding a few tablespoons of honey. And this is my DIY fenugreek avocado oil. And I'm adding a few spoons also my vitamin E oil. I'm going in with a few drops of my tea tree oil. This is my sweet almond oil and I'm going in with some drops. I am adding in 1 tablespoon of castor oil, also a tablespoon of jojoba oil, 1 tablespoon of avocado oil, and last I had 1 tablespoon of grapeseed oil. You can add whatever oil you have. These are all the oils that I have and I feel like add. To pre-poo my hair, guys, I'll be putting my hair in sections of 4 and I'll be applying my DIY fenugreek avocado oil. Then I'm going to twist it back. So this is what I do before I actually do my wash day. So guys, at this time I'm going to let you enjoy the rest of the video. I'm going to stop the talking. I guess I'm talking too much, but I'm going to let you enjoy the rest of the video. So remember, before you go, remember to like up the video, subscribe if you're new to my channel, and hit that notification bell so you never miss another video. Hi guys, we have come to the end of another vlog. Thanks for watching. Hope you had enjoyed this one. Remember to like, share, subscribe, hit that notification bell so you never miss another video. Walk with the King and be a blessing. See you in the next one. Bye.